Have an OR file you need to run? This is an executable file from a specialized application or game system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through safely identifying and running these executable files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade ORE file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. ORE files are executable files associated with specific applications or game systems. They contain compiled program code and resources designed to be loaded and executed by a particular runtime environment or operating system. The exact origin determines compatibility requirements and proper execution methods for the file. ORE. Executable files use platform-specific binary formats, varying by their source system. The internal structure includes program code instructions, resource sections, symbol tables, and runtime metadata. Without identifying the source platform, determining the proper execution environment requires examining file headers and contextual clues about the file's origin. The proper file association links ORE directly to the OR runtime environment solution by Jonathan Holmes. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows shows limited information about executable files, so inspecting or running them requires trusted tools. To guarantee file access, right-click your ORE file and select Open With. If OR runtime environment is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If your ORE file is not opening yet, that is normal. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, identifying the source. Use a hex editor like HXD to examine the OR file header for executable signatures. Common signatures include MZ for DOS Windows executables, or ELF magic numbers for Unix-based systems. The file size and header structure provide clues about which platform and runtime environment can properly execute the file. Next, running safely. Always scan OR files with antivirus software like Malwarebytes or Windows Defender before execution. Run unknown executables in isolated environments such as virtual machines or sandboxes like Sandboxy to prevent potential malware from affecting your main system. Verify the source and legitimacy of executables before allowing them to run. Finally, compatibility investigation. If the ORE file is from an older system, try running it in a compatibility mode environment. DOSBox handles DOS-era executables, while virtual machines running Windows XP or older Linux distributions execute legacy programs. Identifying the original platform requirement is essential for successful execution of these specialized executable files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.